When it comes to maintaining your cutter, leveler or fiberizer, the goal isn't just to keep it running. It's to keep it running right with minimal wear, maximum life and no surprises mid-season. At IMCO, that's exactly what we help you achieve. Our support begins with an on-site detailed inspection. Our technical team visits your plant and builds a comprehensive report identifying current wear, hidden defects, and potential failure points. Here's what we check and fix step by step. Number 1. The rotor shaft and assembly. We start at the heart with ultrasonic testing to catch any cracks. Number 2. The hubs and the discs. We inspect both the center hubs, the end hubs and the middle hubs. We check for misalignment or any kind of ovality in the holes of the hubs and replace worn out components, bringing it back to strength. Number 3. The locking mechanism. We check all the high tensile bolts, the nuts and the keys. We check every fastener in your locking system. One loose element here can throw the entire system out of sync. Number 4. The bearing housing and the stool. The foundation matters. We inspect housing alignment, bearing fits, and even the foundation bolts of the stool, ensuring that the base holds steady under load. Number 5. Tie rods and pins. These are easy to overlook, but when these fatigue, the entire chain suffers. We check each one for elongation, cracks, or play and replace if needed. Number 6. Hammer bodies and spacers. Constant impact wears them down. We assess every hammer body and spacer for dimensional accuracy and fatigue, replacing what's worn, retaining what's sound. So, why does this matter? Because we at IMCO, we just don't inspect. We manufacture each of these components in-house. What that means is a faster turnaround, a perfect fit every time, full control over quality, and since the same team that builds the part is also inspecting it, there is no gap between recommendation and execution. No back and forth, no delay.
IMCO Total Wear Solutions.